Hello and welcome to the 6th video in this series of videos talking about the Mintsoft and Unleashed integration. In this video we're talking about the Warehouse Transfer Sync tab. On Unleashed you can create warehouse transfers to move inventory from one warehouse to another, and the way this would function on Mintsoft is very similar to the assembly import in that you have two options to enable. The first option here will import the warehouse transfer as an order to pick at source. So that means you will have a sales order created on Mintsoft to pick the goods leaving the origin warehouse, and then you can choose to create an ASN to receive the goods at the destination warehouse. Okay, and you can choose to only have one or the other of these on. So for example, if you're importing or exporting to or from an external warehouse that might not be listed on Unleashed, or you might not have it on Mintsoft, you can import just the part of that transfer that is relevant to Mintsoft. Okay, you then have an import frequency, so this is how often Mintsoft checks Unleashed for these warehouse transfers. You can then specify the status of which warehouse transfers are going to come in. And then similar to how you can put a courier service on assemblies, if you've seen that video separately, you can also put a courier service for the sales order part of the warehouse transfer. And the reason for this is that then on the orders overview page, when you're picking that order to leave the source warehouse, you're able to filter those orders and find the courier Unleashed warehouse transfer, for example, if you've got that courier set up on Mintsoft. Now, this is not a courier that can actually generate labels, it's just a placeholder by name only, but it does make finding those orders much easier. Now, one final requirement of this is that the warehouse codes you have on Unleashed, they must match on Mintsoft. So you might have, for example, on Unleashed W1 on Warehouse 1 and W2 on Warehouse 2. On Mintsoft, if we go to Warehouse and then Manage Warehouses, you can see here a list of warehouses, and we have a code field where I've specified here W1, W2 and W3. So to change this, you can scroll to the right, you can click Edit, and you must ensure that the codes match from Mintsoft to Unleashed exactly. Otherwise, your warehouse transfers won't import. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.